Oh my God, hey. When she come for the area, say all the man them Joe Ajo, all the boys down Kulugu, say let them dance Kulugu. You feeling me, baby? While
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaviar. Thanks for stopping and watching this video today. Today's video is going to be on Ali Queen Mall. This is going to be a hair review about the hair that I have installed now into a wig. This is the Deep Wave Brazilian Remy hair. So it is not virgin hair, it is Brazilian Remy hair. And it is in the deep wave, and I ordered 3 bundles with a closure, and the lengths were 20, 22, and a 24-inch bundle. The 24-inch bundle was cut shorter because I didn't like it looking too fine at the end. It looked nice. Like if you had all 24 inches, that would be lit because it would look really nice and long. It was really beautiful, but it looked too fine at the end because you had the longer bundle and then it was like more hair right here. Didn't want that look. I wasn't trying to do that, so I cut them all down to about a 22-inch is what I believe it is now. Hey guys, so I took 1 month to wait to wear the hair to come back to you guys so you guys can honestly have 100% honest review about this hair. So my thoughts are, I have some pros, I have some cons, and I have some, I don't know. I'm going to show you guys the back of the hair. I'll show you that it bounces. This hair right now is freshly washed and it has some conditioner in it. I used Redken All Soft conditioner. You can use whatever you like, but let me tell you that it is dry. So if you get this hair, don't expect it to be some super soft hair. That's probably because it's Remy hair. It's just, girl, like so dry, I can't even like explain it. It's really dry. It felt more dry over time than a lot of the other curly hairs that I ordered, so I was really shocked by that. I was expecting this hair to be like my new ride or die curly hair, but I'm not so sure. I'm gonna have to wear it for even longer than this month to really say for sure if I like it. Shedding. Let's just get right into it. Does it shed? Yes, it sheds. It sheds more so because I cut some wefts because I thought the 3 bundle, like I thought it was gonna be way more than I needed to complete the wig. But girl, like it was not. When I was making the wig, I was like, hey, I'm gonna run out of hair and I have like this much space to fill on my wig. So I had to take out some tracks on the bottom and fill them and move them up because I was sewing them closer to each other. If you're getting this hair, I recommend getting 4 bundles just to have that really full look if that's what you want. I don't mind the flatter hairstyles. Like right now it's co-washed. Actually it's fully washed, shampooed and conditioned, and then I'm letting it air dry. It's pretty much air dry. I would say it's about 85% dry, and it has conditioner, a lot of conditioner in it. The hair, girl, like I said, is dry. Like when the hair dries without product, you look like you have an afro. But it's pretty curls, and I don't hate the curls. What I really like about it is it's pretty curled from the top. I've had issues with wigs with the hair on the closure or frontal being super straight right here or all the way to about here, and then the curl starts. But if you look closely, like the curls start pretty close to the root, so that is really nice because that looks good when you part it. When you have parted hairstyles with curly hair and it's super flat right here on the closure of the frontal, it's not gonna look good. It's gonna look like that and then all of a sudden curl. So if you guys are shopping for curly hair, keep that in mind when you're looking because that's gonna make the difference if you plan on wearing it parted. This is a closure, like I said, so the lace ends about here. It's 4x4. And it doesn't go ear to ear because I didn't want to frontal. I want a break. I want something simple, easy, so when I have to go to work, I can just pop it on and go, right? It is secured with some Got2b glue, gel and hairspray, and I cut the baby hairs and tried my best to make them look good. Like, let's talk about the lace since we're already on the lace. The lace looks really nice. It matches my skin tone pretty well. I did bleach the knots on the hair. It didn't lift as nicely the first time, but I went back over with it and it was able to lift and bleach the knots in the hair. So that is the lace. That you guys can see, it does look pretty real. I don't have any sort of stocking or caps underneath this wig to help it look more natural, so that's just my hair underneath, not covered with anything. Now let's move on to shedding. After I washed the hair today in the shower, this is what came out. So this is what you can expect if you cut the wefts. Now, I'm not speaking on the hair that's when you don't cut the wefts, but this is the amount of hair that I lose daily when I comb or co-wash the hair when wet, because of course curly hair sheds, and I did cut the wefts, so that is normal. But yeah, that's how much hair I got from this one wash session. So it's quite a bit. My hands don't really run through it as easily as some other curly hairs. Like you can see, it's taking a long time to run through it, but I don't mind it. I do get a lot of snags in the nape area, so at the back. If you wear the hair for a couple days, it's gonna be like a bird's nest in there. Like honestly, you're gonna have to really comb through it. This hair is very high maintenance, just so you know. So if you're looking for something super easy and that doesn't require work with styling, this is not the hair for you, because you're gonna have to put in work to make it look good. Now, once you put in that work, it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna look beautiful. I've gotten so many compliments from this hair. I work in a hair salon as well, so I get compliments every single day with the hair. Nobody knows that it's a wig. I don't mind having to do a lot to it so it looks good, but keep that in mind. So now I'm just going to you know, kind of run my fingers through the hair to show you guys how much bigger it can get. So this side here, I just kind of finger comb through, and this side I left alone. So this is what you can expect if you let the hair dry naturally with conditioner, and this is what you can get from the hair when you you know, comb through it, which is very beautiful. I like volume, so I like to just get the volume in when it dries. I just pull it through. So now I'm going to tease it through on the other side and show you guys. I'm just in my hair salon right now, so I stepped aside to look into the big mirror. And it's snagging, like as I'm combing it through, it's like, yeah, that's, see. So that is probably because it's Remy hair, it's not virgin hair. I would have loved to try their virgin hair. I'm still interested in trying that, but I have a few upcoming videos coming for you guys. So I'm pretty busy. I don't have time to like do that right now, but in the future, I'm gonna look into their virgin curly deep wave hair, because the curl pattern is beautiful, and when you comb through it, you have enough hair, but if you want the really full look, I would recommend getting 4 bundles. My thoughts on the hair, it's good. Would I recommend it? I would recommend it for the price, but keep in mind, like, it's not going to be the end all be all for the hair. I wish I, you know, didn't speak so quickly on the hair in the first video, because I felt like I was hyping it up and my expectations were so high, and then a week into it I was kind of like, I don't know how I feel. So the hair is gonna change. It's gonna feel really soft in the beginning, in the first day, and then like literally when you wash it, you're gonna start to notice it doesn't feel as soft as like their straight hair, you know, their virgin hair. It feels completely different. So yeah, that is my opinion, guys. I'm sorry that I took so long to come back with this video, but I've been busy and I'm trying to put out these videos as quickly as possible, so bear with me. If you guys have any questions about the hair that I didn't answer already, leave it below in the comment section. I'm gonna get back to you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and all the comments and thumbs up. I appreciate it, even the negative ones, the thumbs down, but it's all good, it's all love. Till next time, guys, we'll see ya. Peace.
Oh my God, dude.